What's up, guys? I'm Destiny. I'm back with another how-to. Today, we're going to be talking about how to navigate some more tools in OneNote. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. So today, I basically just want to talk about more features of OneNote that we can utilize to make our work processes more efficient. In the last video, we talked about how to set up a page and a section, how to keep everything more organized, how to share your notes, everything pretty much here in the home tab of the ribbon. So how to change your font, how to create checklists, how to create to-do lists, how to do bullet points, how to add pictures, all sorts of different things. So today I kind of want to go into the insert tab and I want to show you a little bit of things that are in here that are going to be useful for notes and all sorts of organization. So first thing up in the insert tab is going to be the table. It's going to pop out with something like this, where you can decide what kind of table size you want, depending on what you're looking to organize. So I just did an example table. You can type in names, you can type in numbers, you can do symbols, and that's going to give you an option to use the table as an organization tool. Next is going to be file, where you can upload different files. So if I wanted to upload an image, I'm going to insert as an attachment and it inserted it into my table. However, you can click outside of the table and you can insert it there as well. Same kind of thing. You can make it larger, you can move around. It's going to be really helpful whenever you're looking to add pictures as notions for something when you're sharing a note with someone. Next, I can also add a printout, being some kind of PDF that I want to share with someone. So if I wanted to just add this, open it up, it's going to pop in here and then it's going to grow. And it's going to be something that is going to be easy to look at for whoever you're sharing your note with. Then back again, we can do pictures again from a file. It'll look a little something like this. And you can drag it and move it wherever you'd like it to go. You can also link an online video. So hypothetically, if I wanted to link one of our YouTube videos in here, I could just add the link right here and it would pop up right here in the note. You can also click on certain words, or you can create, when you're creating like a list or something, I can highlight this and I can link it to an IP address or a website or a URL to make it easier. Say you're using a note to write down steps of something and the steps are on an external website, you can link the site right in the word of the steps that you're creating. Next, you can add audio over your note, or you can include audio that you have taken from a meeting. So that way, whomever is looking at the note from your meeting can also listen to it at the same time. The next really cool feature that I personally like is meeting details. So it's going to be connected to my Outlook calendar. And if I click on class, it's going to pop up with the date, the time, the location, but I don't have that listed. And I can add extra notes of things that I want to include for my class, and then I could share this note with someone and they can see exactly what I'm doing, where I'm going to be, things like that. You can also include symbols for like math equations, or for bullet points, or for just really anything that you want to stand out a little bit more. There's also going to be a math equations option where you can pick a structure. You can pick different symbols, but for this example, I'm just going to pick a structure. And then in my structure, I can put in numbers. And then I can go to math and it will solve it for me. And I can add that right here into the note. And finally, there's going to be a stickers option, which comes up with a bunch of cute little stickers that make your note kind of come to life, that you can add into your note as you share it with other people. So as we go deeper into exploring OneNote, we can find that the organization becomes a lot more clear, and it brings all of our notes to life as we begin to share them with other people. I hope you guys found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.